Hey there, welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can create result publish page using PHP and MySQL, and we are going to do this using free AI, and that is OpenCode CLI. This is really simple, and I will show you all the process step by step. Here I can see I have generated a prompt through ChatGPT. Now you can actually generate a prompt through Gemini or any other chatbot. So why we need a prompt basically? So we need a prompt to create a professional website. If you can generate a professional prompt, then you can actually generate a professional website through AI, right? If you give here random information, then AI cannot actually understand that what you actually want. I mean, if it is professional or not. If you have a specific color, let's say you have a color combination, you want gradient color or something like this. I mean, you want, let's say, hero section or what you want actually. So you have to mention here, and then you have to ask for a prompt. So go for any GPT like ChatGPT, Gemini, Google Studio AI. So go with any of it and then generate a prompt. Okay. I'm assuming that you can actually generate a prompt. I'm not going to share you this prompt. Okay. Now I'll show you how you can install that OpenCode CLI free AI. So to install this, what you have to do, you have to go to the browser and you have to download Node.js at first. Okay. Download Node.js at first. So if you search download Node.js or Node.js, then you will find nodejs.org, and here you can see we have download section. Click here download. Now you'll find here all the option which one actually you want to go with. So the latest one is 25. I'll suggest you to go with the long-term support latest version. This is the LTS. You can see LTS long-term support. So go with the latest one, and that will contain LTS. I mean long-term support version. So select this and download the .msi. Why we need Node.js? Let me show you. Now let's say I want to install that OpenCode CLI. So I will say CMD, then I will click here run as administrator. Click yes, and here I'm going to say npm. So I'm going to run a command to install this. Okay. So npm I to install it, and then -g to install it globally. Then space OpenCode -AI add latest. Now here you can see npm. So for this npm, you need Node.js. Okay. So through npm, we can actually install this package or command line interface AI. Okay. So now if you hit enter, then it will actually install OpenCode CLI. Okay. Command line interface. I already installed it. Let me show you. If I say here now OpenCode, after the installation, if you say OpenCode, there will be, OpenCode will be open here. Here you can see this is OpenCode. Now here, if you give any prompt, then it will actually generate a professional site for you. But I'm not going to actually create the project here. I have installed OpenCode CLI globally, so I can actually access it from anywhere in my PC, right? So I'm going to actually create my project somewhere else. So let's say I want to go to the downloads. I will go to the desktop. Okay, here I want to create a project. Let's say so project. I'll say my project. Let's say my project. Okay. Check. Okay, so this is my project folder, and here I want to create my project. So I'm going to open terminal, or I can click here in this address bar, and I can say here CMD and hit enter. Then command prompt will be open here. All right, and here we have to open OpenCode. So write down OpenCode, hit enter. Then OpenCode will be open here. All right, here you can see. Now we are going to paste the prompt here. We have actually generated. So copy the prompt, and you have to actually go back to the OpenCode, maximize it, and paste it here. So you cannot actually paste it through mouse. You have to use keyboard. So press Ctrl+V from your keyboard. All right. Now hit enter. Then it will do the whole project for you. But make sure you have a server, because it's a PHP project, right? So you need a server. So you have to download XAMPP. I already have this. Let me show you. What you have to do, you just have to actually start Apache and MySQL both server. And one more thing, you have to do here, that is you have to actually keep your project. Let's say you have created the project here, but you can actually create the project anywhere. Okay, because you have installed this AI globally, right? But your project should be inside XAMPP htdocs folder, because it's a PHP project. So you need to keep your project inside htdocs folder here. Okay, so here I will delete all of them because these are unnecessary. I'll suggest you to go through our channel. We have a bunch of different videos on how you can actually install XAMPP, and if you find any kind of installation error, how you can solve them, if you find any kind of MySQL related error, and you have to actually follow our channel, and you will find all the videos, okay, server issues and all the videos we have. So just follow any of these, and then you have to install XAMPP. Okay, so follow the video and install XAMPP and start this both server. Not necessary you have to actually start it now. What you have to do, you have to wait for the project completion. Here you can see in the right side we have to dos. So at first it will actually create a specification document, and then it will create the .sql file. So why we need .sql file? Let's say I need database, right? So I can create database, but I need the .sql file, so that I don't need to create all the tables separately, and then I don't need to upload all the value inside into the table, right? So I need a SQL file so that I can add the SQL file, and then automatically all the table and all the dummy values will be added. And after that it will create config and database connection. So database connection will be done, but there is no database. We haven't actually created the database, so I think it will actually just give here a dummy value. And after that, create front-end pages like index and then all other things, and then create admin panel, because yes, we need admin to actually publish the result, and then admin should have a login, then dashboard, and then CRUD means create, read, update, and delete. Admin should update the result, delete the result, and then add the result, right? And after that, we need a style sheet to look our site professional, right? And then JavaScript validation. Yes, we need JavaScript form validation and all the things. So these are the to-dos it will actually complete. And when every single task will be done, there will be tick mark here, you can see. So when the project will be done, we'll see the output. Okay, so I'm going to fast forward the video, and when the project will be done, I will be back. So guys, you can see it complete the whole project for us. Now, as I mentioned, that as it is a PHP project, so we have to actually keep this project inside htdocs folder. So we are going to go to the documents, and here desktop, and here we have the project, my project. Here you can see. So we are going to copy everything from here, and just copy this project, my project. So I'll copy this, and let's go back to this PC, then C drive, because I have installed it in C drive. So XAMPP, then htdocs. Here we are going to paste it. All right, now I can access this, but before that I have to actually go inside the project. Here you can see we have .sql files. We are going to create the file we are going to upload this .sql file in the database. At first, let's open this readme.md. So I'm going to open this, and here you can see this is our project structure. So this is the folder student result. So we are going to actually copy this student result, okay, and we are going to go back to the folder, and here we are going to paste it, okay, student result. Now this is our project name, and our database name is what? So here is the database name. You can see student result underscore db. So we are going to copy this. Now go to the XAMPP control panel, and here we have to start Apache and MySQL both server. Now let's go to the MySQL database. So we are going to go with the MySQL database. So we are going to say here localhost /php myadmin. Hit enter. So we have created the database. Now we are going to import the .sql file. So we are going to click here, import, and choose the file. So the file is inside C drive, then XAMPP, then htdocs. Inside the project, we have .sql file. Open it, import it. Here we go. We have successfully import it, and we have all the table with the dummy values. Here you can see we have students, subjects, and all the things. Now we are going to access the project. So the project is inside localhost, right? So localhost / if we say it, here we'll find all the project inside htdocs folder. This is our project. We are going to click here, and here you can see this is the index page. Okay, we have a nice index page here. You can see. Now we can go for the admin login, and here we have dummy values also. Here you can see we have credentials. Username is admin, and password is admin123. So username is admin, password is admin123. This is our admin panel. Here you can see we have students section, we have subjects, and then results. So now we can actually edit the section also. Here you can see mark, theory mark. We can actually increase the mark 80. Update it. Here you can see updated successfully. Here you can see updated successfully. You can delete also. So it's working, right? So we can log out also. Yes. Now let's say I want to access some other page also, and here you can see I cannot access that page without admin login, right? Okay, so it's a professional site. So that's it for today. Thank you so much for watching this video.